This box retails for $316. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook. Hey squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Saina, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up. In today's video, we're going to be doing another Boxycharm once again. Oh, Boxycharm once again. Oh, Boxycharm unboxing once. Okay. Anyways, we're doing a Boxycharm unboxing today. And this time around, they gave me a big old box. I think it's because of that subscription that they have. Like every 3 months, they have like, they give you like more products than they supposed to. So this time, I think they gave me more than they were supposed to. Like they gave me more because I paid for more. So let's see. Let's open it up. So you first open it up. This is how it looks. Just like all the other boxes. Me and my thumbnail. And then got the paper right here. So it's telling me that I have the Violet Voss Essential Eyeshadow Palette, the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, the Hank and Henry Black Eyeliner, the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, the Tarte Avenue Princess Palette, the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Brightening Serum, the Motor 8-piece brush set, and the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm. So let's open this up. Ooh. Let's see what we got. So the first thing I see while I'm looking at this box is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum. It's saying that this is brightening and smoothing pineapple vitamin C. It has one fluid ounce. Try to open this up. They make sure they close all their packaging really good. There's a pineapple right here. It says Glow Recipe on it. That's cute. Oh, it's actually shaped as a pineapple. This is cute. This is cute right here. And this retails for $49. It smells like pineapples too. It smells really good. I gotta give this a try. So that's the first item. The next item that I see here is the Moda Studio 8-piece Glam Set. So in this brush set, it comes with the powder, the contour, the glow, the shader, the crease, the smudger, the detail, and the brow brush. Wow. It's a lot of brushes. Let's see how the brush set looks. The brush set looks nice. This is how the brush set looks. Nice and black. And the 8-piece brush set retails for $69. $69 for this brush set, for this 8-piece brush set. So now I got it in this one. So I'm proud of myself. Next thing I got is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. This is how the box looks right here. And then when I open it up, ooh, these are some nice colors. Look how this looks. So guys, I'm not going to be using this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna keep this for one of you guys so y'all can win in the giveaway. So when I hit that 1,000 subscribers, you will be getting this. One of you guys will be winning this palette with the rest of my other stuff that I'm gonna be giving away. Also, I might be just giving away those motor brushes because I have enough brushes right now that I don't need to have more brushes. If I could just give it away to somebody that's learning how to do makeup, or somebody that can benefit from it that doesn't have brushes at this time. So the next thing I see here is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Try to open it up. This is how it looks. It's like a nice reddish color, a dark red color. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I do want to give this away in the giveaway because I don't really wear lipstick as much, and I'd rather give it to somebody that's gonna put it to use than swatch it in my hand and then not be able to give it away. So somebody's gonna be getting this as well, and that retails for the Stila ones $22. $22. So this Dr. Brent Probiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, this retails for $52. $52. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So that's not something that I'm looking for in my skincare routine right now. So I will be giving this away. Comes in this nice sleeping mask. It says apply to skin, apply mask to skin, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse, use nightly. So you have to use it like every night and stuff like that. And you don't have to clean it. A good thing is that you don't have to like clean it out. You can like actually sleep with it and go about your day. Not go about your day, go about your night. Go to sleep with it. So this is how the box looks right here. I'm gonna do close-ups of it anyway because I don't know why it's not focusing right now. But that was that, and if I didn't tell you, it's $52. The next thing I got is this Tarte High Performance Neutral Park Avenue Princess. So this looks like it's a palette, another palette. Let me see. Ooh. This is heavy. Look at this packaging though. This packaging and everything. Ooh, and it has like a little mirror in the back of it. No little mirror that I just messed up. Little packaging mirror kind of thing. But let's open it up. Ooh, this is a contour palette. Okay. Contour palette. I won't be using this because I will be giving it away to somebody that can use this. This is really cute. It says Halo, Elegance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle, and Crown. So I will be giving this away since I already have a contour palette. And this one I feel like it's not dark enough for me because I like it to be extra dark. Like I like my contours to look like really dark. So if I'm going for like a neutral day that I'm not trying to show my contour, I'll probably wear this. But in that case, that's barely. If I'm doing makeup, I go hard or go home. So I won't be using this. So I will be giving away to one of you guys. Just subscribe to my channel and also tell people about my channel so we can get to 1,000 so fast. Because I have so many things that I want to give away. Like so much different things. So many different things. So stay tuned for that. Also, I will be giving out some of my hijabs from my line to you guys as well. So, yes. And if you're not Muslim, then I will be giving you other things. You don't have to win hijabs. You can win something else. So, that one's going to be big. That one's going to be epic and it's going to be big. So, stay tuned for that. The other thing I got is this IGK. And this is a hydrating hair balm. So like, I probably won't be using, has coconut in it. So you know, guys, I won't be using this. It has coconut. I'm allergic to coconut, so I won't be using this. So I will definitely be giving this away. This retails for $29. It's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. So I'll probably give this to my niece. Kayla, or my god sister Nina. They will probably make use out of that more than I will, so I'll give it to them. And this last one is this Hank & Henry. This one is the long wear liquid eyeliner. So I will definitely be keeping this for myself because I really need an eyeliner. So out of this whole thing, what I'll be keeping for myself is going to be this eyeliner right here. And this eyeliner retails for $20. So let me calculate in total how much all this cost, my beauty box for this month.
$29 plus, $52 plus, $20 plus, $22 plus, $45 plus, $49 plus, $59, so $70 plus, $29 equal.
This box retails for $316. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook. $316 for this box? Like, Boxycharms, you really did that. You really did this box. Like, I'm really loving the products. Like, I like what I got in here. So I'm gonna be keeping this for myself, which is the wing liner. So I'm gonna be trying to practice on my wing. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this pineapple bright serum because I'm looking for things that can brighten my little dark spots and my imperfections. So, you know, I'm gonna be keeping that. And I will be keeping the, what else I'll be keeping? I think that's about it. I'm trying to think. Do I want to keep the brush set, or do I want to keep? Cause I want to keep 3 things. 3 things out of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I got 8 things, and I want to keep 3 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna keep out of the 8 things, I'm gonna keep 3 items. So I think I'm gonna keep the brush set. I'm gonna keep the Glow Recipe pineapple serum, and then I'm gonna keep the wing liner. Those are the 3 I'm gonna be keeping. The Tarte palette I'm gonna be giving away. The hair balm thing I'm gonna be giving away to my god sister or my niece. And then the lipstick I will be giving away. The dark the Dr. Dart I'm gonna be giving away, and also the Violet Moss palette I will be giving away to you guys. So that's about it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!